Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add 3D floating text on Instagram story. So in here, I've already opened the Instagram apps on my phone, and after that you can start by clicking on plus on your story. Now you can just open your camera like this and then just swipe on the effects in here until you find this browse effects option. Tap on this, click on the magnifying glass icon, and then just type in 3D text in here on the search column, and you'll easily spot the floating 3D text. Click on that effect. Okay, I'm going to just go back and use this effect right here. Now you can just write your text. For example, I'm going to just write 3D floating oops tags. Okay, you can see now this is the 3D floating text. You can tap to place and change the size of the text. You can easily do this, or if you want to redo the text, you can just click on redo in here. Then you can just write the text again. For example, I'm going to just type in hello, click on this blue, and you can see now this is the 3D text. It will float on your screen. You can just start recording your videos. So that's how you can add floating 3D text on Instagram story. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.